So hey guys, today's topic is first of all, let me tell you the people are going through this phase or the people are gone through this phase. They are going to relate with this topic. So today's topic is yes, anxiety and panic attacks. So I'm not going to tell my story here because it is kind of horrible. So I just want to share my some things which help me and which are helping me to cope up this anxiety and panic attacks. So uh, yes, the first thing I would say, like, I came to know that yoga heals this. So I can challenge you guys, like, if you do yoga for 30 minutes, like you are stretching or doing plank or not plank. So yes, plank or stretching your body muscles for 30 minutes, I can challenge you. You will feel very relaxed and you will not feel that much of anxiety level. So yeah, it is totally scientific, and as I personally experienced this, and yeah, this is it. So second thing I will say, like, we in this uncertain world, we all have some kind of fears, we all have anxieties, we have panic attacks, but some people focuses more on this feeling. They think like, yeah, I am also one of them, I was one of them. So I also did that same mistake. So what I'm telling is, like, we should not focus on that feeling, like what is happening with me and all. So just focus on more important things in your life. Like, just ask yourself, is this sheet is more important, or I have more important things to do than thinking about this sheet which is going on. Just accept your fears, accept your anxieties, accept your panic attacks, and work on your goals. So yeah, if you divert your mind on more important things, it will always be easy for you to cope up with this feeling. So yes, I also did yoga and it helped me very much. So I think this fears and anxieties, it's because of 80% of our conditioning, and yeah, maybe 20% of our genes. So we can't do anything in both the situations, both the conditions. But yes, we can. What we can do is we can reprogram our mind. Yeah, we can meditate. And when I say meditate, I don't know about scientific meditation, but yes, we can focus on one thing. Like, if you are talking with somebody, like I'm talking with you, so I'm talking with you only. I'm not doing multitasking here. So avoid this. And also, with time I experienced that if you take 8 hours of complete sleep, then you will feel more calm and more productive on the other day. So I think if I take 8 hours of sleep, continuous sleep, uh, today, then I'm going to have very less negligible anxiety tomorrow. So I would suggest you guys take sleep properly. Yeah, and what next is, like, you should drink water as much as you can. You should take your diet properly. You should avoid much sweet, or you should take sugar, salt in proper quantity. uh, yeah, you can control diet, but surely you can't control all of your fears, all of your anxieties, because it is like that our conditioning made us to react to the situations like that. uh, in the inner voice we always think, what will happen if I will not do this thing. And our conditioning made us to think like that, because we, since our childhood, we used to get comments like, if you are not doing this, you will be a loser. If you are not scoring well, you will be, like, you will not be successful. Yeah, I hope you are connecting with me. So yes, with time you will understand that these are very small things in your life. I mean, these are only a chapters of your complete whole story. And it's also important to be not a hero of your life sometimes. Let be someone to gain more focus than you. Like, yeah, it is totally okay. Like, you should not be always a rock. You should not be always act like you are a hero, because everybody wants to be a hero of their life. So you should not be like jealous or angry or yeah, some kind of things. And that's it, guys. I hope this video will help you to cope up with your anxiety and panic attacks. And just I want to see if I miss any point. Yes, yes, yoga, diet. Yeah, yes. I also want to add that uh, when facing through this anxiety or panic attacks, uh, I feel like it's all our symptoms. Like deep within yourself there is a problem, there is a fear. So understand that fear. Let me give an incident, an example. Like if you are having anxiety because you deep within yourself you will think like, uh, if I'm not doing this, what people will say? If this will not happen, then I will be destroyed. Let me tell you, it is a chapter of your story. Explore yourself. There are many options there, and you will get to know with time. You will understand with time. You can relate with it with time. So I just want to tell you that uh, no shit exists forever. So it is going to end, and yeah, that's it, guys. I hope this video will help you, and yes, all the best, and yeah, bye bye.